Well, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are taking the Grom and I'm going to teach you how to drag your knee in under 10 minutes. Let's go. Before we get into today's video, if you're new around here and you like this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe, do the things, you know, whatever. And if you are here from one of my other social media platforms, thank you. And now, today's video. My knee is just scraping right now. All right, dragging your knee. Is it necessary? No. Is it awesome? Yes. Does it make you a good rider? Not really. Are good riders able to do it? Yes. Do good riders need to do it? Again, no. But it is something that a lot of people want to do. They want the ability to. And if you're really looking to go fast, you're looking to get on the track, you want to do those things, it is something that helps you understand the bike, helps to understand body positioning, and again, it's just really cool. So you want your knee pucks to look like that? Let's get right into it. First things first, start small. If you have something, you have a small CC bike like a Grom, best place to start, best place to learn anything. If you know anything about me, you know that I like to advocate for starting small. Your mistakes are not magnified on something that's very small, right? If you can learn on a Grom, you can then take those skills and translate them up. So we're going to start on the Grom. We're going to go in tight circles. You want to make sure you have a place that's wide open, that doesn't have a lot of hazards, a lot of things that you can run into, and then put on some gear. Wear some gear to practice. Nothing worse than crashing, because you might, you know, every time you learn something new, you might crash. And when you do that, you want to be able to protect yourself. So put on some gear, find a parking lot, get a bike. And again, if you don't have a Grom, you have something small, you can take these same principles and learn and, you know, do it on whatever bike you have. But again, it's a lot easier, a lot more forgiving on something that is small. All right, so let's get right into it. We're going to be in first, even second gear. We're going to get up into the friction zone and we're going to find a really nice looping path to just go in circles, right? Now, for me, it's a lot easier for me to go left. So we're going to start the drill by doing it left, right? We're going to go this way. And what you're going to do is, before we even start to try to put the knee down, we're going to just get into the set speed of where we want to be, right? So right now I'm just holding. I haven't moved my body at all, but I'm just holding this circle. I'm also applying all of the fundamentals that I know about riding a motorcycle. I'm looking where I want to go. I'm over here, right? I'm not looking at my cluster. I'm not worried about where the bike is currently. I'm looking about where I want it to go, all right? So then, when we get to where we need to go, I'm keeping my right foot on the rear brake for a little bit of balance, a little bit of speed control, and now I'm going to position butt cheek all the way over. It should feel like you're falling off, right? And on the Grom, it has really low set pegs, so you're going to have to get really low to do this. But now we're going to start. We're going to lean, and we're just going to hold. Hold. We're looking. We're almost down. You can feel it. You can feel yourself getting close, and there it is. We're down. I'm literally on the ground right now. Oh yeah, we're just holding it. Hold, scrape, and we're just looking, right? And we're gonna pick the bike back up. And that was that. That's easy, right? Now, let's take a pause. And let's talk about that. What does that feel like? What does that look like? You can see, we just scraped all the way on the bottom, all the way down there. Again, taking your body as much off of the bike as you possibly can. So we're almost hanging off. My right cheek is on the edge of this seat. I'm keeping my foot here, right here, and I'm pointing. This knee is pointing at the ground. Head pointed where we're going around the turn, knee down that way, and we're just holding. Everything is about smoothness. Everything is about holding yourself, okay? So we're doing that until we feel that down, and we're just gonna hold it in a circle. Boom. It's that easy. You can do it too. All you do is got to get out and practice, put in the reps, make it happen, and you're going to be MotoGP in no time. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed. If you have questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the description and below the video. Do the things, you know. Let's have a good time with this one.